Hi teachers, I created this very simple, easy to follow thesis template for everyone who is doing his or her graduate studies. The reason why I did this is when I was studying my master's and doctor's degree, I extended help with formatting the thesis and dissertation of my friends and classmates, and I saw how messy their formatting was, so I decided to improvise the template that our school gave us. If you'd like a copy, just message me and I will so eagerly send the copy to you for free. Okay, so let me show you the template that I did. This is the title page. So in your title page, you have to write your research title in this format, no punctuation, especially period. If you're doing a proposal, just omit the open and close parentheses. But if you're doing the final thing, then remove this bit. And then change this area to your university or wherever school you're doing your master's or doctorate, and then the address of the school. This area down here in partial fulfillment of the requirements for your degree. So change this to your degree. And of course, you have to add your name, the name of the researcher, that's your name, and then the month and the year when you are doing your oral defense. I did my second master's in a different school and they did not ask for, they asked for an approval sheet, but they did not include it in the hard copy. So it depends on your school. So this is an approval sheet. And then you have to add the name of your advisor down here. Name of the panel members will be your panelist when you do the orals, and then of course the name of the chairman. And then you just have to copy this bit here down here, then just change it. And of course you have to pass the comprehensive examination. So yeah. And then okay. So for the acknowledgement, all you need to do is write the names of the people you would like to acknowledge. So basically, you would like to acknowledge your advisor, um, your respondent, your family, the school. Kasi sobrang exaggerated naman if 10 sheets yung acknowledgement mo. So 1 to 2 sheets lang. And then, your name again. And then, don't remove the researcher. But some schools, they don't like, nilalagay mo parati yung term na researcher. So, you can remove that. Depende sa school. Next is the dedication, of course. So, for the dedication, it's why are you doing your research? And to whom are you dedicating it? So, you can say, this piece of work is heartily dedicated to MJ, my husband, Lev, and Lois, my adorable twins. And if you would like to add more names, you can add names. Just have to edit that. Okay? So that's for your dedication. Make it very short. And then, of course, you have your table of contents. Now, for this one, you have to manually change this bit here. Kasi yung referencing, ayaw niya mag-work. So, tapos, naglalagay siya ng mga dots. And it's very untidy to look at. So, you have to manually edit this out. Ayan, nakaano na siya, title page, approval sheet, acknowledgement, dedication, list of figures, list of tables. You also have the abstract, and then chapter 1. And whatever is included in chapter 1, you also have chapter 2, and then you also have chapter 3. So it's already complete. All you need to do is just update page numbers. So next is the list of figures. Can also add the list of figures that you used, and then you have to manually change the page numbers as well. So paano mo siya i-add? I'll show you, baka mano kayo. It's just a table, and then for the borders, you have to show all the borders. So makikita mo siya, and then enter ka lang. Yan. I'll remove those and put it back. Borders, and hide mo siya. I'm sorry, hide mo pala siya. So again, how do you do that? If you would like to add some more, just tick that one. Go to Design, then Borders, Show All Borders, and then go to the last column and row. Just press Enter. It will give you extra rows. You can delete that bit, and then hide the borders. Same with list of tables. You have to make sure that all the tables you had in your research are listed here. So if you have trouble adding more information or more data, again, go to Design, go to Border, All Borders, and then go to the last one, last row and last column. Press Enter ka lang. Okay? And it will do the magic for you. Delete ko lang kasi it's not necessary. And then no borders. And of course, for the abstract. For the abstract, you have to add the title of your research, and then your name again as the researcher, your degree, the name of your university, and then the name of your advisor, and the month your study is completed. So, yan. It should be more or less 200 words. Depende kung ilan yung kailangan ng school nyo. But should be 200 to 500 words lang yung abstract. And of course, chapter 1, we will discuss that in the next bit kasi masyado nang mataas yung video natin. And if you find this video helpful, please share this to your friends who are studying their master's or doctorate degrees. And please subscribe to my channel and let me know what template you want to have next.